My name is Jay Grams. My family has owned the Volo Auto Museum since 1960. We have a few hundred of the most exciting collector cars, and they're all for sale in one location. I personally have handpicked them from around the country. Welcome to my sales shop. Come on, let's go for a spin. We've got a rare car for you, a 1995 Firebird Formula Firehawk. They made 102 convertibles total, and Firehawks, they made under 600 Firehawks altogether that year, and only 102 were convertible. This is the first year a convertible was offered. It's only got 30,000 miles. We bought it from a Firehawk collector, two-owner car. If you visit volocars.com, you can read all the specs. You can look at about 100 pictures. You can get the price, not only on this one, but we have a few hundred collector cars all for sale. If you enjoy the video, subscribe to our YouTube channel, click on the bell icon, and you'll be notified as new ones come out. But right now, the top is down on this Firehawk. Why don't you join me? Let's go for a spin. They made 4 of them in purple. The Firehawk, if you don't know what they are, I didn't. They're so rare. I'm in the business, and I've seen them, but I didn't know what they were. GM sent their cars to SLP, Street Legal Performance. It was about 10 minutes away from their factory in Canada. And then SLP did a conversion on them. The biggest thing is the cold air induction with the composite ram air hood. That's a functional hood, and they put the cold air induction that's used on the Corvette. They give it 300 horsepower versus the 275 that it comes with without it. This one is 315 horsepower because it has the optional exhaust. I think it's called 2 to the left exhaust. You got both pipes coming out here. It's a big stainless steel pipe. That gave it another 15 horsepower. So this car is more horsepower than the Corvette was even. More horsepower than the Trans Am. So an SLP gave it their Firehawk logos around the car and on the wheels, their special wheels. So pretty neat car because it was sent to a separate company, and the conversions were made. Anyway, the outside is the original paint. It's the purple. They made 4 of them. Overall, it's beautiful. We just got it. They thought it was good enough. Now it's in here under the lights. I see some swirl marks in that. This is going to get polished and detailed. I will say there's some touch-ups right here. There's a few on the headlights. There's a few up here on the front of the car. So there are some nicks and touched up, mostly up here in the front. It says 315 horsepower. That decal was sent in the glove box, and it was up to you if you want to put it on or not. Now, being a convertible, it doesn't have the roof to keep the body from flexing. So the coupe's got a 17-inch wheel with a thin tire. The convertible's got a 16-inch wheel with a fatter tire. The thought being the tire absorbs some of the twist and flex. So those are the correct wheels. They're unique to this car. The tires are new. The rubber window seals are nice and soft. There is a crease right down here that I imagine we'll have the dent guy see if he can remove that. This has the optional power antenna. It has a hard boot. It's a power convertible top. It's a black cloth top. The rear bumper's in really nice shape. I don't see any issues with that. Inside the door jambs are real clean. Stickers are all there. Weather strips are mint. The interior is outstanding. It does have keyless entry. It's pretty well optioned out. It has power steering, or power seats, power windows, power mirrors. It has the premium stereo with the equalizer and CD changer. It has the controls on the steering wheel. It has leather seats. The interior is actually spotless. I sat in the car and looked all around. I couldn't find a flaw. It does have the Firehawk tag on the console there saying what number car this one is. They built like 590 something, and I think the number on there is higher than the number they built. That's because they were going to build 1,000 of them, and they just picked random numbers between 1 and 1,000. That's the LT1 motor. And again, here's the cold air induction, the same as the Vet, and it's functional. It matches right up to this ram air hood. Everything else is all completely factory stock. It's clean, it's orderly, nothing's been changed or monkeyed around with. The windshield looks real nice and clear. does have these floor mats in here, but I'll show you in the trunk in a second. You could order the optional Firehawk floor mats from SLP. This one has that as well. And in the glove box, we got the pouch with the owner's manuals and books. Got 2 key fobs here. There we go. These are still like brand new. The Firehawk floor mat, actually, that's just dirt. And in the trunk compartment's all like brand new as well. Underneath the car is spotless. It has the gray primered floors with the purple overspray. All the components have their factory finishes in really nice shape. You'll see that when you look at the pictures. But you can still see stickers and labels and assembly line markings. It's really nice underneath. Disc brakes at all 4 wheels. Has the 4L60 automatic trans, 323 posi, and then of course that stainless steel optional exhaust system. Has cruise control. Not been smoked in. The lighter and ashtray have not been used. I drove this car actually. I had a doctor's appointment, so I drove it, and it's fantastic. And it'll giddy up and go too. 315 horsepower, that's no slouch. So these are rare cars. I've been learning about them. I'm really appreciating what they are. Good investment type cars. Got vanity mirrors. I think that was another option. So visit volocars.com. You can read all the specs. And plenty of ways on there to contact us. We can help with the shipping, the financing, answer any questions you have about the car or the process. If you enjoy the video, subscribe to our YouTube channel. Click on the bell icon and you'll be the first to see the next one that comes out. Thanks for watching.